मेरा नाम जसित गुप्ता है, मैं दिल्ली में ही रहता हूँ और मेरा पेसमेकर लगा था जब मैं 16 मंथ्स का था। फिर उसके बाद जब मैं 10 इयर्स का था देन अगेन इट वाज़ द बैटरी चेंज्ड बाय डॉक्टर बलबीर सिंह ओनली।
So this is the story of a young boy, 16 years old age. He looks fine now. Nobody can make out that he's a heart disease. But at 6 months, he was operated for a congenital heart disease, had a complete heart block. So complete heart block is impossible for such a child to thrive, to work, and to breathe properly. So I implanted a pacemaker at a very tender age of 6 months when he was told that it cannot be done by small incision. So open heart surgery has to be done. But there were problems of doing an open heart surgery. It was risky. So family turned around to me from several sides and said, okay, sir, we want to do it. I did that pacemaker 6 months of the age of this child. And he's grown up now to 16 years. He had no problems all these through 16 years of age. And he's recently come for me for a battery change of this pacemaker. And we upgraded this pacemaker to a double chamber pacemaker, and he's doing very well. He's been operated and running about again.
और ये अपग्रेडेशन जो है बहुत सक्सेसफुली सब कुछ इम्प्लांट हो गया है, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड माय किड्स is also doing very well.
So a dual chamber pacemaker works like a normal heart because it has functioning of both atria and ventricle. So they function like what God has made, one ventricle, one chamber to another chamber. And this is the greatest benefit of giving him an upgrade to a dual chamber pacemaker.